Louis V blue jeans, me a put it on. White shirt with it.
Babes, you like roast breadfruit? Me bring one for you. See that? You think I know me not roast breadfruit? Give me a. You think I know me not get a kiss? Me a kiss now? Not the backside. What? Give me back me roast breadfruit then. Every day you dress up in the same piece of green shirt. Go get some clothes. You think me cheap? What? Me say the damn girl licky. Watch me on her blood clot. Me I go trick her and get the pum pum. I go use my granny old coat wrap and make one Gucci suit. She forgot to me a tailor. Go on, baby. Jesus Christ, are you that? How that a Gucci?
Inna me call canite, no. Me inna me clothes fitting glass. Me shoes no cheap like chicken parts.
No, say a Gucci and Louis Vuitton combine. A Gucci Vuitton. Nice, turn on, me see the back. Nice, me see front. Jesus Christ, you have big chain. I say you would long. Come dance with me. Baby, I don't know you alone can take off my Gucci Vuitton suit. You know that? You better make sure. So beg your bills to make we start dance. Hold this, baby.
Inna me call canite with the buckle of talk canite. Talk for life,
you
split
can
for life,
dance,
split so till me high. Talk a fly.
This one. Come over here, sir.
Bumble something in my shirt. Me can't no water touch me Gucci Vuitton, it a go shrink.
Then I want to make your Gucci Vuitton a shrink up, sir. A fake clothes you are wearing. You know what? Take back your breadfruit. May you keep the $100.
The $100 fake too.
Take this ras and come back to me yard.
When you book her, trick her or fuck her. Tell her you have car when you not no car.